I am going to read English newspaper. BJP should decide if they are running government or not. Atisi. Atisi criticized BJP for having no clear plan for Delhi's development. Former Delhi CM and AAP leader Atisi has criticized the BJP for its lack of clarity on governance in the capital, questioning whether the party is running the government. In a statement, Atisi said, I want to ask the BJP to decide whether they are running the government or not. When there are power cuts, the BJP people say that Atisi is the caretaker. CMC is responsible for this, but when the machine comes to Yamuna, they say that the BJP and LG are running the government. They should decide whether they are running the government or not. She went on to accuse the BJP of not having any vision or plan for Delhi. BJP cannot run the government in Delhi. Narendra Modi knows that not even one of his 48 MLAs can run the government. He can only loot the money of the people of Delhi, she remarked. Atisi further criticized the BJP for failing to appoint a chief minister despite their 48 selected legislators. Even after 10 days, PM Modi can't trust the 48 selected legislators and make one of them a CMC. Added Atisi also referred to BJP's years in power at the Delhi Municipal Corporation, accusing its councillors of corruption. After being in power for 15 years in the Delhi Municipal Corporation, all the BJP councillors looted the people and the MCDC, claimed. Chief National spokesperson AAP of AAP, Priyanka Kakkad, also from AAP, weighed in. Why should the people of Delhi be worried about the internal strife of BJP when BJP is taking 10 days to give a chief minister and cabinet? Imagine how much time they will take to take any decision for the people of Delhi. The BJP won a historic mandate in Delhi polls, returning to power in the national capital after 27 years by ousting up. It secured a two-thirds majority, bagging 48 out of 70 seats, while UP's tally saw a massive drop at 22 from its previous tally of 62. Thank you guys for watching.